Okay, boys, we are back with another freshness. Have to do what is this? Okay, got to do a little web development. Web development, web development, web development, web development. Okay, so I know we can put fragment identifier linking to a fragment document, right? You can link to a specific with I give the ID. You provide an ID. Is ID? ID like, yeah, ID like a start H, and then I can link to a targeting a new browser window, a new window with markup. Okay, I will, and you can even link to a specific destination in pages on the other sites by putting the fragment identifier at the end. Okay, linking to a fragment. Okay, so I wanna do this. I think what I will do is take the appendix of a document and then try to link that. It will be fun. Okay, adding links. This is linking exercise 6.8, linking to a fragment. So with exercise 6.8. Okay, so first of all, uh, nah, I just wanna create. Okay, first of all, first of all, first of all, HTML session. Yes, I want to open this HTML session. Write plus plus dash open session HTML session. Okay, so 6.5, right? Okay, I don't have a need for these bad boys right now. So we'll go with adding links, exercise, exercise, 6.8. Okay, then we have index.html. Then I will open appendix of any book. If I think this book has an appendix, I feel like appendix with marked, right? Yeah, appendix. Library names not in the format I wanted it to be. Index. Oh, nice. Symbols can. Okay, A. There we go. A, then B. Oh, I can use this. I'll get A up to here. Okay. Control C. So first of all, we'll go with the doc type HTML. I'll start the HTML. Linking to a fragment. Huh. I will provide the title as linking to a fragment. Meta capset UTF-8. Then full stack developer and 10 times developer. Meta capset UTF-8. UTF-8, and then I put the title, which is linking to a fragment title. Then I we start the body, and within the body I will first put a header. Headings headings will go in the header. Okay, I will go each one appendix, each one, and then I also want to put a navigation element. I will just put a navigation element. Then we'll put, should I put it in a paragraph? Right, I must put them in a paragraph of A. Okay, first let's come out of the header. Then I will make a heading H2 with ID start A, and I'll write A H2. Then within this heading I will provide the content. I'll just close it in a pre-formatted text. Okay, and then we go over to this, and we close it in. Pre-formatted text, right? Okay. Yeah, okay. Let me just try to see how it looks. Right, A. Okay. I have appendix, then I have A. Then I will do the same for B. Okay, I think I will just add A and B for now, because they will get ID equals start B, and then I will close the heading. Then I will start a paragraph with pre-formatted text. I will insert all the data and I'll start all of the B's data here. Okay. Okay, fairly little. Little. Okay. Great to no. There we go. Right, B. Okay, in the navigation element, I'll add a anchor element with ID of hash to specify that I am using an identifier. Start A, and I will give it value A. Then we close this. Then I'll start another anchor at ref, specify the what else specify another identifier B, and then close this tag. So what it should look like is AB. You can jump to B, and you can jump to A. I have A, I have B. Nice. Okay, it jumps. Then what we can do is I can also refer these externally in another document. Let's say jump to b.html, jump to b.html. I will write out doc type html. I will just have a single okay, what I will have here is a single link to the document with a B identifier with a B fragment. Right, okay. Head. We provide the meta. Guess that equals UTF-8. Then another thing that I have is other thing that I can have is what is title linking fragments in external files in external pages. Title, then move on to body. I will just create a heading each one. No, I don't want to create a heading. Want to just create a link with the index.html and start B. I go jump to B, close A, close B. Let's see this. Jump to B. Great. Okay. So that's that. Of course, you don't have any control over the named fragment in other people's web pages. Of course, the destination points must be inserted by the author of those documents in order for them to be available to you. The only way to know whether they are there and whether they are is to view source for the page and look for them in the markup. Okay. If the fragments in the external document move or go away, the page will still load. The browser will just go to the top of the page as it does with regular links. Great. Okay, then we have I'll provide these top. Okay. I can define a bottom and a top. Okay, it's same. Okay, to the top of the page. Right. This was it, right? How do you wonder? Specifically, right? Bottom and top, right? Okay. So we have targeting a new browser window. One problem with putting links on your page is that when people click on them, they may never come back. Okay, they may never come back. The traditional solution to this dilemma has to make the linked page open in a new browser window. That way, your visitors can check out the link and still have your content available. Before I provide the instructions for how to do it, I'm going to strongly advise against it. First of all, tabbed browsers make it somewhat less likely that users will never find their way back to the original page. Furthermore, opening new window is problematic for accessibility. New windows may be confusing to some users, particularly those who are accessing your site via screen reader or even on a small screen device. At the very least, new windows may be perceived as an annoyance rather than a convenience. Because it is common to configure your browser to block pop-up windows, you risk before I provide the instruction for how to do it, I'm going to strongly advise against it. Okay. At the very least, new windows may be perceived as an annoyance rather than convenience. Because it is common to configure your browser to block pop-up windows, you risk having the user miss out on the content in the new window altogether. So consider carefully whether you need a separate window at all, and I'll tell you how in case you have a very good reason to do it. The method you use to open a link in a new browser window depends on whether you want to control its size. If the size of the window doesn't matter, you can use HTML markup alone. However, if you want to open a new window with particular pixel dimension, then you need to use JavaScript. Okay, a new window with markup. To open a new window using markup, use target attribute in the anchor element. Target the browser to tell the browser the name of the window in which you want the linked document to open. Set the value of the target blank or to any name of your choosing. Remember that with this method you have no control over the size of the window, but it will generally open as a new tab or in a new window the same size as the most recently opened window the browser. Okay, so we go setting target equals blank always causes the browser to open a fresh window. Okay, if you target underscore blank, if you target here, every link will launch a new window, potentially leaving your user with a mess of open windows. A better method is to give the target window a specific name, which can then be used by subsequent links. You can give the windows any name you like, new, sample, whatever. You can give the window any name you like, as long as it doesn't start with an underscore. The following link will open a new window called display. New window, not even a tab. A new window. Dude. Pop-up windows. Okay. So let's try and open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Opening links in new windows. Right. So we'll go with index.html. Nope. Okay, doc type HTML. Then we'll go with head. Meta cassette equals UTF-8. Title. Opening links, new window. title. Okay, so we have. What is the body? Href equals. Okay, in order for it to open in a new window, we set the target equals underscore blank. So we just go with, then we and we go Google, then we close the paragraph. Okay, so these are, it just uses Google, and it will open in not in a new window but a new tab. Okay, so in a new tab. All right. Then we have target display. You can give the window any name you like, new sample. Okay, then you can even put new give the windows specific names. Target equals Google window. This is the name of the tab. Google 2. The Google 2. This is named. What is it named? It is named Google window. No, nothing. Okay, so it opens Google, and it even if opens Google, but I have no way of knowing what is the name of this. Site setting, cookies connection secure. Okay, so we have, yeah, somebody doesn't start with an underscore. The following links will open a window called display. Okay, open a new window called display. If you target display window from every link on the page, each link document will open in the same second window. Unfortunately, if that second window stays hidden behind the user's content window, it may look as though link simply didn't work. Alright. Pop-up windows. It is possible to open a window with specific dimensions in various parts of the browser Chrome. It is possible to open a window with specific dimensions in various parts of the browser Chrome. Toolbars, scroll bars, etc. turned on or off. However, it takes JavaScript to do it. These are known as pop-up windows, and they are commonly used for advertising. In fact, they've become such a nuisance that many browsers have preferences for turning them off completely. Furthermore, where furthermore, in a world where sites are accessed on small mobile devices, popping up windows at specific pixel dimensions has no place. That said, if you have a valid reason to open a new browser window at a specific size, I recommend this tutorial because okay, mail links. Mail links is a nifty little linking trick. The mail to link. By using the mail to protocol in a link, you can link to an email address. When the user clicks on the mail to link, the browser opens a new mail message pre-addressed to the address in a designated mail program. When the user clicks on a mail to link, the browser opens a new mail message. The browser opens a new mail message pre-addressed to that address in a designated mail program. Okay, a simple mail to contact. As you can see, it's a standard anchor element with the href attribute, but the value is set to mail to. Let's open that mail to attribute. Doc type HTML and meta insert UTF-8 and then title is, what is the title? Mail to attribute title body, then I have a paragraph, mail to, okay, href mail to link. Okay, nifty trick, mail to link by using the mail to protocol in a link. Okay, mail to link protocol. So I must close this, go back, mail to link protocol. Within the href you go mail to gmail.com, contact Shane, and we close this and we close the paragraph. So go mail to, right, okay, and if I go open mail, ooh, nice dude, nice mail protocol, Great. Okay, I won't actually do that, but linked. Right. Okay. Then we will go on to. As you can see, it's a standard anchor element with href attribute, but the value is set to. Okay, it is a protocol like the HTTPS, like I use like HTTPS is a protocol. Similarly, mail to a is also a mail protocol. It is a mail to protocol in a link. It is also a protocol. It is also a protocol. Then the browser has to be configured to launch a mail program, so the effect won't work 100% of the time for your audience. If you use the email itself as the linked index, nobody will be left out if the mail to function doesn't work. Right, a nice little example of the progressive enhancement. Right. Telephone links. Okay, spam bot. Be aware that by putting an email address in your document source, you will make it susceptible to receiving unsolicited junk mail known as. People who generate spam lists sometimes use automated search programs. If you want your email to display on the page in a way that humans can figure it out but robots can't, you can deconstruct the address in a way that is still understandable to people. Example. That trick won't work. That trick won't work in a mail to link because the accurate email address must be provided as uh, as an attribute value. One solution is to encrypt the email address using JavaScript. The encoder form at logic does this for you. Simply enter the link text and the email address. The encoder generates code that you can copy and paste in your document. Okay. Otherwise, if you don't want to risk getting spammed, keep your email address out of your HTML document. Okay. Right. Then we have 33. I have telephone links. Keep in mind that smartphones people are using to access your website can also be used to make phone calls. Why not save your visitors a step by letting them dial a phone number on your site simply by tapping on it on the page? The syntax uses the syntax uses the tell scheme and nice, dude. When mobile users tap the link, they get an alert box asking them to confirm they'd like to call the number. This feature is supported on most mobile devices, including iOS, Android, BlackBerry. The iPad and iPod Touch can't make a call, but they will offer to create a new contact from the number. Nothing happens when users click. If that bothers you, you could use the CSS rule that hides the link for non. Okay, that is beyond the scope of discussion. It's an Android. There are best few practices for using telephone links. It is recommended that you include the full international dialing number. Okay. International dialing including the country code for the tell value, because there is no way of knowing where the user will be accessing your site. Okay. Also include the telephone number in the content of the link so that if the link doesn't work, the telephone number. Also include Android and iPhone have a feature that detects phone numbers and automatically turns them into links. Unfortunately, some 10 digit numbers that are not telephone numbers might get turned into links too. If a document has strings of numbers that might get confused as phone numbers, you can turn auto detection off by including the meta in format detection content telephone. Okay, meta name, test yourself. Is that all? Okay, I am done with the 6th chapter as well. Alright, to place graphics in on the page, adding images. Okay, so yep, part 2. Okay, adding images. Then I have table markup, forms, what's up, HTML5, tables, adding images. Then we go to CSS for presentation, formatting, colors, thinking, floating, page layout, transition, CSS. I have JavaScript, then creating web graphics, image source, meet, format, image, resolution, introduction, SVG, something images. And then we have optimizing GIF, optimizing PNGs, optimize to file size, optimization, and review. Okay. I do not wish to do that, but I will try this phone link. The link. Can add with the tell, right? Okay, so I will create a new document, index.html. We'll go on doc type HTML and meta guess UTF-8 title, making calls from site, title, mail to contact at I'll go with href equals tell plus 917860561, and I'll go call Shivang. It shouldn't do anything here. Okay, once you pick an app. Okay, so what we will do is we'll start the ngrok tunnel, books, work in web development, CSS ngrok tunnel, exe. Okay, ngrok http What is it running at? I wish to know. I don't know. So um, I'll start the live server here. Okay, where's the go live? Okay, so this is my right, HTTP for the port number, right? And port number. Okay, so we'll go ngrok command. Try typing ngrok.exe http and ngrok.exe http. Port number is 5500. Error. Port. This is not my port number. Okay. Index. Port 80. Okay. Subdomain port 8080 available at and croc.exe http tunnel command line index that is not supported. So is that don't work as well. Nope. Sign up. Usage of ngrok requires a verified account. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sign up. I already have an account. Sign up with I just won't remember my login here. Yes, login with Google. Continue. Login with Google. So I got a verification email has been sent. Okay, Gmail. I think I should go to Gmail from here. Mail and go verify. Yes, use the following link to verify. And we verify. And I have Choco. Oh yes, Choco. Okay, your auth token. Go to copy and we paste. Save to configuration file. Now I can ngrok. Your specify does not look like a proper ngrok tunnel. Okay. Let's get rid of this bad boy here. Then we'll set up an installation. Download. Oh shit. Okay, download. I'll download it to here. Web development. Standalone executable. HTTP localhost. Okay, that's how you run it. Static ephemeral value domain. Alright. Extract here. Get rid of this. Let's get my authentication token. Saved. Nice. Then we'll go and ngrok HTTP is a live server. Okay. Okay, so we'll go with HTTP, then HTTP. What is PDA 1.4? हाँ करता हूँ send PDA 1.4 PDA 1.4 इसको भेजी थी फॉरवर्ड कैसे करूँ मैं इसको अच्छा डाउनलोड करके फिर तो मेरे पास उसमें नहीं होगा यार डाउनलोड्स में या यहाँ बिग डेटा ये रहा चलो फिर ये ग्रॉक टनल HTTP :::/ local host 5500 I think this is the address 5500 yes and I go here web interface forwarding okay so I actually have to alright so I'll send it to Ashwani let's quickly check it
अब दया करो मेरे भोलेनाथ आशु इसमें आ जाएगा शिवाय
अच्छा अच्छा ये देखो देखो प्लस साइज है हाँ ये ओके हाँ नहीं जाएगा अरे वैलिड रिचार्ज होगा तभी कॉल कर सकता है चलो देयर वी गो successful and close clear exit live server disposing okay